What are you doing?
Making pancakes.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We are making pancakes here with Olivia. When we are cooking, I like Olivia to participate too so that she can enjoy the food. What are you making, Olivia?
I'm making pancakes.
Oh, you like pancakes?
Yes.
So as you can see, we got a mixture here. It's done. This is the pancake flour. And then I mix it with this all-purpose flour. And in the mixture, we have orange juice, banana, blueberries, milk, and 2 eggs. So, as you can see, I have my pancake maker over here, or a waffle maker, and it's hot already. I'll just put, and it takes like 4 pieces at a time. So, I'll put it in and it's hot already. I already connected it. Yes, we're gonna make pancakes or waffles, whatever it is.
Pancake.
You like pancake or waffles?
Pancake.
Yeah? Me too, I like pancake.
Me too.
Yeah. I'm gonna make one for mommy, for baby, for auntie, and for papa.
Auntie is someone straight.
No. If you continue saying that, I will take you out of my studio. You better be nice.
Okay.
Okay? Mommy wants the baby to be nice.
It's not for Auntie Baba. Auntie Baba, you're gonna choke.
I'm not talking to you. I'm trying to make pancake, Mommy. After you put everything in here, make sure it's all covered so that they won't have like gaps in it.
Can I mix it?
So, I'm trying to cover the holes. And then, to fill in the gaps. Okay, there. And then you close it so that they'll cook both sides. You have to close it. Yes. And then you have to wait for a few minutes. Mostly it goes for 3 to 6 minutes. And as we wait, it's cooking as you can see. It's cooking now. It will be ready soon. You like the pancakes?
Yes.
You're gonna share with me, right?
Yes.
That's what you're gonna have for snack?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In the meantime,
Yes. Mommy, Auntie and Baba are so noisy.
Okay, and we're gonna be